Popsy shot and killed by armed men in St. James. Mobe security guard held with illegal firearm and ammunition. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 22-year-old Omaria Williams, otherwise called Popsy, was shot and killed by armed men along a section of the Portobello Main Road in the parish on Tuesday. According to police reports, residents heard gunshots about 9:25 a.m. and alerted the police. On the arrival of the lawmen, Williams was discovered lying on his side along the roadway with multiple gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was transported to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The police in St. James have taken 2 security guards into custody after they were caught with an illegal firearm and ammunition during a spot check on Monday. Their names are being withheld pending further investigation. One is a 20-year-old male and the other a 22-year-old female, both from Barrettstown addresses. According to police reports, lawmen carried out a vehicle spot check in the downtown area of Montego Bay sometime after 1 p.m. when they signaled the driver of a white Toyota Probox motorcar to stop. The driver complied, and following a search of the vehicle, a Taurus pistol fitted with a magazine containing 380 rounds was found.